Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Radiant Lectures for Class 7th.
Assalamu alaikum students. Hopefully you will be all right and safe and secure at home by the grace of Allah Almighty. Assuredly you have got understanding of the poem Vocation that we have gone through in previous lecture. Today I am here with the explanation of written task of the poem that you will do in your notebooks. First of all, we will take start from the vocabulary. It has three parts: words, parts of speech, and meanings. First word is gong. It is noun and its meaning is name of an instrument. It is an object that is used to produce sound. And next is hawker. It is noun, means one who sells his wares on the streets. You can say hawker is selling vegetables. Next is digging. It can be a verb or noun. It means to drill, to break up the soil with a hand or any tool. Next is spade. It is noun and its meaning is a garden tool with a handle for digging. A gardener is digging the ground by using spade. And next is soils. It is noun. Its meaning is dirties, light colors soils sooner than dark ones. Next is crystal. It is noun. Its meaning is glass and you can say a necklace is made of crystal. Lane. It is noun. Its meaning is a narrow passageway. I walked through the dark lane. Giant. It is noun and its meaning is a human of great size. I saw a giant in a circus. Next is chasing. Again, it can be a verb or noun. Its meaning is following. You can say a dog is chasing a rabbit. Shadows. It is noun. Its meaning is a dark image. You can see your own shadow on a sunny day. Last vocabulary word we have swings. It is verb and its meaning is to rotate. The monkey is swinging from branch to branch. So students, now it is the turn of question answers. First question is, who is speaker in the poem? So you can recall the speaker is the young child because when he goes to school in the morning and he meets the hawker who cries bangles, crystal bangles. So it means the speaker is the young child. Next question is, why does the speaker wish to be a bangle seller? Actually, he inspired by his freedom. That's why he wishes to be a bangle seller so that he can walk around without having to hurry for going anywhere or for coming back home. Third question is, the speaker is attracted to the gardener's job. Why? Actually, he considered that gardener is playing with his tools and nobody can dare to punish him for dirting his clothes. And the last question we have, why does the speaker want to be a watchman? He wants to be a watchman because he attracted toward his moves, because as he saw him that he can walk up and down in a lane at night with a lantern chasing shadows and without having to go to bed. So students, now it is the turn of summary. In this poem, the poet describes the aspirations of the young boy to adopt different occupations. Aspirations means a strong desire to achieve something, and occupation is an activity in which one engages himself. In the opening lines of the poem, the poet elaborates the delightful feelings of the boy. Elaborates means to expand something in detail, and delightful means highly pleasing. When he goes to school in the morning and meets the hawker crying bangles, crystal bangles, and roaming freely in the streets. Roaming means to go from place to place without purpose. This is appealing for the boy and he wishes to be a hawker. Appealing means very attractive. In the afternoon, the boy returns from school and is inspired by a gardener digging the ground. Digging means to break up. Using his spade and soiling his clothes with dust. Spade is an object that is used to dig the ground, and soiling is a means to dirty. Now he desires to be a gardener. In the evening, the boy wants to be a watchman, walking up and down, swinging his lantern and chasing the shadows. Swinging means to rotate, and lantern is an object that is used to produce light, and chasing means to follow. The poet has expressed the feelings of the boy in an eloquent manner, means very significant manner, which makes the expression momentous. So students, now we have reached to the last activity, and that is sentences. The first word is hawker. Hawker is a person who sells his wares on the street, and its sentence is, I saw a hawker selling his goods in the streets. Next is gardener, one who spends time in cultivating plants. The gardener is planting the plants in his orchard. Third is giant, means a human of great size. I saw a giant in a circus. Fourth is lane, means a narrow passageway. Many dogs were roaming in the lane at night. And last sentence is chasing, means to follow someone. The police was chasing the gang of criminals. So students, we have discussed all the activities, and hopefully you have understood. And students, you will get all the written tasks in PDF file. You have to write all the activities on your notebook by following the same sequence and pattern. Thank you.